claps. She got everybody always trying to know how Sean Ara is. She the baddest and the truth. Hi guys, I hope you guys are fine. So I have already done my bold cap method, and today's video has been sponsored by Yolissa. I am super excited, as you guys can see, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it came with. One, it came with the cap similar to the one that I'm having. You people already know. Another thing that is inside is the lashes. These lashes are actually thick. I didn't use it in the video because they were slightly thicker, but yeah, it's something I can put on if I'm going clubbing and all that. And then finally we have the wig. So guys, this is actually a HD lace, and it's a 13 by 4. It's 18 inches, and the hair is 180 density. So let me just show you guys. And of course it came with this nice strap that I'm gonna use to lay down the edges in case I will do one, that is. And the hair, here is the hair, here comes the bride. I really loved everything about this hair, because let me tell you guys something, this has to be my favorite so far, no cap. I love working with the lace. The lace was actually really easy to melt down and work around with. So now guys, without wasting time, let's just jump right in. As usual, I'm going to put this in a fast forward and do a voice over for y'all, but just know that I'm excited. Bye bye guys.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. All the things I wanna say, and maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay, so there he goes. There he goes.
So guys, I have decided that it's gonna be a middle part, so that's why I am parting it in the middle. I was really debating over having it be a side cut or middle, but I figured I don't really do too well with side cuts because, you know, I haven't mastered the art. But let's see how this one comes out.
Inside me, I got what I gave. I am worthy to feel this way, but I want him to know that nothing I did was to hurt him, and I'm sorry I gave him this burden. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. Yes, there we go.
So at this point, I decided that I'm gonna give it some curls and define it a little bit and customize it. And like I've always told you guys, try and curl your hair away from your face. Away from your face. So yeah, let's wait and see again the results, but I loved it. So I went back and did my makeup, and let's just see. This is also a random hack that I saw on TikTok, where you put the got to be glued on your curls. So let's reveal it. I honestly like how this is turning out, cause I feel like it's melting. Okay, it's really melted in the skin, and you know, if you can genuinely spot the lace without struggling, you don't like me, because you're just out here to embarrass me. Okay, because I can't. No, let's be serious. You have to be, you know, if I go like this, you cannot spot the lace, you can't see it. But if you can see it, go get your eyes checked, because you're seeing your own things.
Come one, come all, just when I need you.
Yeah, so that was it, guys. Tell me what you think about this hair today. Is it giving? Do you like it? Is it something that people can try? Because it's definitely something that I can try, okay? Because I've tried it, you know. Huh? Excuse me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, give it to me.